You might have heard about Thailand's famous fragrant and spicy Thai Holy Basil stir fry, but did you know there's a fried rice version? In the Thai language, this fried rice dish is called Khao Pad Gra Pao Burrito, and you can easily find this dish in Thai street hawker stands. But this is just so easy to make at home, I'm going to show you how to do it. But with a twist. I'm going to cook up a Thai Holy Basil with minced pork fried rice burrito. It'll be a Thai-Mexican fusion. Hello everyone, or should I say Sawadee Krap Tukon, or Hola a todos. My name is Wally, and I'm going to show you how to put this all together. Let's go. Today's protein of choice is pork, and this is 300 grams. You may substitute with any other protein you want. Firm tofu works really well for vegetarians too. And this is 500 grams of day-old jasmine rice. Just cook up the rice the day before, let it cool, and then dry it out in the refrigerator. Some cooks and chefs will tell you fresh cooked rice or fried rice works just fine. That's debatable. My mom always used day-old rice, so you know whose side I'm on. You can see that the rice is not mushy, and each grain of rice is distinguishable. If you use good quality rice and air it out in the refrigerator, and you will get this result, which is perfect for fried rice. Thai Holy Basil is supposed to be a particularly garlicky and spicy Thai stir-fry. I purposely toned down the amount of garlic and chilies for this recipe. I typically use double the amount or more. And besides, setting people's hair on fire is just a piss-poor way to gain more subscribers. I think this amount of chilies is a good baseline. If you can handle more spicy heat, then go ahead, add more chilies. To prepare the garlic and chilies, I highly recommend using a mortar and pestle. Get one for your house and you will be the envy of your neighborhood. It makes such a cool sound. Just listen. Your neighbors will either get curious or annoyed. If you do not care for mortar and pestle, a food processor will work just fine. You can also crush garlics and chilies with the side of your chef knife, but it's just not the same. See? I mean, look, even if you chop your garlic and go gung, 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 it's just not the same. Get a good mortar and pestle, it lasts a very long time and it's a very good kitchen investment. And this is 60 grams of Thai Holy Basil. If you cannot find Thai Holy Basil, I've read that Italian or sweet basil plus some mint works in a pinch. Thai Pad Gra Pao has a typical stir-fry sauce, and we're going to combine everything into a cup. 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon of really good fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and finally, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix until the sugar has dissolved. And that is all, it is time to cook. Break out your favorite pan, heat it on a low medium. This is a lot of rice, so if your pan is small, just break the recipe in half. When your pan is hot, add a tablespoon of oil, and then add the garlic and chilies. Cook for about 15 seconds while stirring. Keep the ingredients moving so it does not burn. Now turn up the heat to a medium-high and add the ground pork and keep stirring. We're going to cook until most of the pork is almost fully cooked. Then drop in all the sauce. Stir and mix for about 10 seconds. And then add about 3 tablespoons of water. Keep stirring and mixing. Don't worry if it looks too wet for fried rice. Add the rice now and it'll soak up all of that delicious sauce. Keep stirring and mixing until most of the rice is covered. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more chilies. Sorry, I just can't help myself. And then add the holy basil and keep stirring. You can even turn off the heat. There is enough residual heat to cook down the basil. Now let this Thai Holy Basil pork fried rice cool down so it's easier to handle. Break out your favorite wrap. This is my homemade guacamole. It's not a typical Thai ingredient, but did you know that Thailand has a thriving avocado farming industry? So I'm gonna make basic guac from scratch. Plus the avocados help fight off the spicy heat, so it makes a lot of sense. And so does this fried egg. Wrap and roll, and you made a cow Pad Gra Pao burrito. And you can add diced tomatoes and cucumbers to the burrito, but I forgot to buy them, so there you go. Check that out. Doesn't that just look amazing? Though remember, I do make deliveries. I take Bitcoins and Camels as payment. See you all in the next one.